the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, Ireland has launched its National Rare Disease Strategy for 2025 to 2030, a new policy framework aimed at improving outcomes for the estimated 300,000 people living with a rare disease in the country. The strategy outlines 11 key recommendations to enhance diagnosis, treatment, and support services. A landmark study in China, involving over 42,000 families, has established a new diagnosis framework for rare diseases, offering hope to millions of patients. The project confirmed more than 12,000 diagnoses with an overall diagnosis rate of almost 30%. Researchers found that genetic testing of entire families significantly improved diagnosis rates compared to single-patient testing. Thanks to a major donation, Korean doctors have created the first national clinical guidelines for treating rare pediatric nephrotic syndrome. The guidelines were developed by a team who pooled and analyzed extensive research data. This move places Korea ahead of most countries in having national-level protocols for the disease. The FDA has granted orphan drug designation to VGT-1849B, a novel JAK2 inhibitor for the treatment of polycythemia vera, a rare blood disorder. Simultaneously, the EMA has given orphan drug designation to Rialta's RLS-0071 for treating graft-versus-host disease. These designations will help accelerate the development of these therapies for rare conditions with significant unmet needs. The FDA has approved Sanofi's Wayrilz for adults with persistent or chronic immune thrombocytopenia, a rare blood disorder. As the first oral BTK inhibitor for this disease, Wayrilz targets the root causes through multi-immune modulation. The approval was based on a pivotal Phase 3 study that showed a significant and durable platelet response. A pivotal study for United Therapeutics nebulized Tyvaso has met its primary endpoint, demonstrating an improvement in absolute forced vital capacity in patients with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. Positive results were observed across all subgroups, and the drug showed statistically significant improvements in most secondary endpoints, including quality of life. Recursion Pharmaceuticals, a biotech company that uses AI for drug discovery, has expanded its rare disease pipeline by acquiring an oral inhibitor for hypophosphatasia. This acquisition is a strategic move to address a critical unmet need for an oral treatment for this condition. Recursion is positioned as a frontrunner in AI-driven drug discovery. Pfizer has decided to discontinue its low-dose ATTR drug, Vyndaqel, in the U.S. by the end of 2025 to enhance patient convenience and simplify care. The move will leave the high-dose Vyndamax as the only brand on the market, which offers the same benefits in a single, once-daily capsule. This decision is a strategic step to prepare for patent loss in 2028 and reduce generic competition. The FDA has granted fast-track designation to Cereno Scientific's lead program, CS1, for the treatment of pulmonary arterial hypertension. This designation is designed to accelerate the development and regulatory review of new therapies for serious conditions with high unmet needs. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.